I would support it. I would say use it, but also use it smartly. And what I mean by use it smartly is ask AI not just to generate a program for you, but explain the program line by line.
AI tools are powerful, but using them wisely still depends on understanding the fundamentals of coding. Today, we're looking at why those core career-relevant skills matter more than ever in an AI-driven world. And this is The Framework, presented by University of Phoenix. To understand why the basics of coding still matter, even while AI reshapes the programming landscape, we spoke with Yen Lee, a longtime faculty member and programmer with more than 20 years of experience. He sees firsthand where students struggle and where AI helps, but can't replace real understanding. Let's get into it. AI can generate example code, templates, or even whole functions, but beginners still struggle unless they understand the underlying logic. Yen sees this all the time.
That is something AI is a very good at. I think for new developers who are kind of new to the field, one of the most common questions that I get from students is, how do I start? Or, where do I start? Some people will start by looking at sample, the smarter ones. But for someone who kind of are totally very new to this, they, even with samples, they have challenge to put it into something, into a working program. So I think with AI, it is you could ask it the questions and tell it what your goal is, and it will generate at least some things that allow someone to get started.
AI can give you a head start, but if you don't understand how to build, structure, or adapt the code, you can't go very far. Even when AI generates code for you, you are the one responsible for knowing whether it works, why it works, and what needs to change. Understanding the fundamentals is what allows you to use AI intelligently, instead of blindly trusting it.
I would support it. I would say use it, but also use it smartly. And what I mean by use it smartly is ask the tool to also help you understand what the program is doing line by line, function by function, code by code. And that is what an AI tool like Copilot or ChatGPT is good at.
Understanding your code, not just generating it, is what separates a programmer from someone who just copies and pastes. AI can automate simple or repetitive tasks, but that actually raises the bar for what human developers need to know. When the easy parts are handled by AI, programmers need a stronger foundation to manage the complex parts, the decision-making, the planning, the structure, and the design.
You would need to know not just the programming side, you would need to know how, the user interface, whether it is appealing to users, and maybe you would need to know some project management as well to kind of be able to articulate where you are in this process. And your role will just have to take on a lot more, because some of those mundane tasks, like writing a script, has already been taken care of. So you would need to add value by having a broader knowledge of the entire development pipeline. The role would be more complex, would be richer, because some of those very focused, very singular tasks has already been automated.
Foundational career-relevant skills let you see the whole picture, not just the code. They make you more adaptable, more effective, and better prepared for the bigger responsibilities that AI can't take over. Coding is more than typing lines into an editor. It's about logic, structure, debugging, reasoning, and the ability to translate goals into working solutions. AI can help with the shortcuts, but you still need the career-relevant skills to guide it. AI is changing the way we code, but it isn't replacing the fundamentals. Understanding logic, structure, and problem solving is what allows you to collaborate with AI tools effectively and responsibly. Thanks for watching this episode of The Framework, presented by University of Phoenix. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know what programming topics you'd like to see next. See you next time!